What does a cow say, Eli? What does a sheep say, Eli? What does a rooster say? Right. And what does a lion say? And what does a frog say? Ribbit? Right. And what does a monkey say? Right. And what does a duck say? Right. And what does a chicken say? Cluck, cluck, right. And what does a cat say? Meow. What does a doggy say? And what is your brother's name? No. Where's Pascal? What's your brother's name? That's right. Twinkle. Bye. Bye-bye. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If happy and you know it, say hooray. Yeah.